Hello, welcome to Ask a Pharmacist Corner. This week's video is actually very important during these times. It's about how to deal with or how to cope with the stress during the COVID-19. The COVID-19 or the pandemic COVID-19 may be very stressful. It can cause some strong emotions in everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about what does stress do, and also give you 10 tips on how to deal with the stress. So the stress can increase your heartbeat. It can cause poor sleeping. It can increase your blood pressure. It can cause fatigueness, and it can cause shortness of breath. It can cause avoiding to do activities or other issues like stomach ache. It can cause also heartburn. So I'm going to go over the tips and how to reduce some of these stresses that can come with during the COVID-19. It's important that you take control of what's going on around you. For one thing, the first tip is do not overload yourself with the news. Do not listen to the news 24/7, especially before you go to sleep. It's very important that your mind is restful when you go to sleep. The second tip is breathing. Exercise breathing in and out deeply. If you feel like you're stressed, because the stress can cause shortness of breath. So practice breathing regularly, deep breathing, like breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. You can do it up to 10 times, and you can do different kind of breathing, like all of these breathing in and out. You can do up to 10 times, and again repeat it. And repetition of it can release some of the emotions inside and can help you with what's going on around you. Also, third tip is to be responsive. Care about yourself. Wear a mask. Wash your hands. So this way, if you wash your hands and wear a mask regularly, you don't have to worry about much. Even when you work, I heard a story that this person was working with patients, and the patient had coronavirus, but she was wearing mask. Actually, 2 occasions, he and she, they were both wearing masks. And when they find out that the customer or the patient had the COVID-19 or the corona, they tested the nurse, and they find out that the nurse doesn't have it. So most probably because she was being very responsive and protective and wearing a mask. So make sure that you do wear a mask even when you work. If you're stressed, reach out to your friends. Call your friends. Video chat with your friends or family members. Tell them about your stress. If you trust a person, or find a person that you trust mostly, and share your stress with them. Tell them that I get stressed during the COVID. Tell them this, what is bothering you, so maybe they can be of help to you. Stress it's not a good thing to deal with because it can become chronic inside you. The fourth tip is to avoid drugs and alcohol. As you know, the drugs and alcohol can complicate or cause complication with the corona symptoms, and it can make it worse. So try to stay away from these things. If you have lost someone due to corona, during the corona, talk to somebody, get help, talk to a friend, share pictures of the person that you have lost, tell stories about the person that you have lost. Connect with your friend, connect with your children during your loss, and the children can be of great help. For kids and also adult yourself, get a pet, get a new pet. Pets are so relaxing, and they can be very cozy. You can cuddle with them, and it releases some of your emotional stress. I see that with my own kids. My daughter wanted a second pet, and I saw that how that helped her so much during this time, especially because she's a teenager. So pets can be very, very helpful also. With your kids, plan things, go camping, or play games with them, video games with them. Make sure that you watch them, because watch for any behavior changes in your kids. Make sure that they're not affected. If they're avoiding activity, for sure they're being stressed. If they don't want to go out, or if they don't want to go camping, or if they don't want to enjoy any activity with you, join any activity, it's for sure that they're under a lot of stress because of the corona. So make sure you talk to them and get them to do things with you. Plan activities, get a hobby for yourself. You can do sewing, you can do with your kids, you can do cooking with your kids, you can do knitting and biking, exercising. Exercising is a great way of releasing stress. I'm gonna talk to you, these are all the tips, but I'm gonna talk to you about two supplements, or a few supplements that are very important. One of them is zinc. Zinc is an immunomodulator. So what it would do, it can get rid of the invading virus and invading bacteria in your body. The zinc can build up your immune system. It can build up the good protein and a good DNA in your body. Make sure that you talk to your pharmacist because of the dosing, or talk to your doctor about it. The other supplement that I want to talk to you about is B12. B12 and folate, and they're both vitamin Bs. They can reduce the stress in your body. They can give you more energy, energize you. They are very good for your nerves if you're irritated. And so vitamin B12 is another one. Magnesium can relax your body and can help you to relax. The other supplement, if you can't sleep at night because of stress during corona, can also do that, can cause sleeplessness. Melatonin, if you cannot sleep, melatonin can help it greatly. Valerian is also another herb supplement that can help to relax you. But most of all, if you cannot cope with the stress and you're depressed, it can cause depression and a lot of other symptoms. Get in touch with your doctor. Go see somebody. Get some help. Talk to your pharmacist. So exercising, especially biking, walking, get a hobby. These things can help. A lot of hobbies you can pick up during this time. Knitting is one of them, as sewing, because they relax you. And just to spend more time with your kids. Please like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Please give me comments. I want to continue this channel in the YouTube. Go on the link of Ask a Pharmacist Corner and subscribe to my videos. And I'm actually having my videos on Instagram and Facebook as well, but I rather you go on the YouTube and watch it and subscribe to me. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye-bye.